Are you considering including a large-scale water feature into a space that you're designing? Are you wondering what you need to know so that in the end, you end up feeling like a genius who made all the right decisions? In this video, I'm going to cover the problem with the traditional process of taking a large-scale water feature from conception to design to build. I'm also going to show you a clear path that will lead you to understanding of what it takes to bring your vision to life. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to start an investigatory conversation with us that just may lead you to the water feature of your dreams. So the problem, in my opinion, of the traditional process of taking a large-scale water feature from idea to design to creation is this. Typically, when I come across someone looking to integrate a large-scale water feature into this magical space that they've created in their mind, they're feeling uncertain about who they can trust and bring these ideas to life. They have no real understanding of what should go into a quality large-scale water feature or how it should be designed and built. They often just follow the traditional path. They verbally convey their ideas to architects, designers. These guys plop these ideas down into 2D or 3D designs, and then they farm those out to builders or project managers, and those guys farm them out yet again to pond professionals who bid said project. You can imagine how this can all go wrong. There are many potential problems here that can come up. Everything sounds easy if you say it fast, and in smaller features, I'm sure a designer can just wing it. On a large-scale project, decades of experience in art, construction, logistics, and water feature design are going to come into play. Small mistakes, entire feature can go sideways. Large projects can take a ton of time to estimate. People call and they ask for a bid. Honestly, there have been multiple occasions I've spent a full week estimating a large project and never even heard back from anybody. Protection of our time as well as yours is a big priority here. In order to accomplish an amazing outcome for your project, there are some things that need to happen. First, you've got to find a company that knows how to properly design large-scale water features, ones that can stand the test of time. A team that is comfortable and experienced at running large-scale water feature projects. This team needs to be a team of aquatic artists with a proven track record of delivering mind-blowing, beautiful, unique projects that suit your personal and unique tastes. Guys, you have to know that you're shopping for a project that is in your financial comfort zone. Does this even make money sense to you? You have to be comfortable talking price ranges. And you need to understand what potential add-on expenses might come up along the way and how those expenses are going to be handled. Guys, don't become a victim. Over the years, we've seen so many unhappy clients who have fallen victim to these villainous yes men. These guys always promise the world. They have this suave sales prowess and an overabundance of self-confidence. Unfortunately, they're luring you into being their first experience, and they dive headfirst into the deep end without even learning how to swim. And they let you take the financial burden of paying for their education. Unfortunately, the truth is most buyers simply don't understand what it takes to design and build a large-scale custom water feature. So they look at the only thing they do understand, the bottom line. Also unfortunate, there are so many people out there with good intentions that just aren't capable of doing what needs to be done to make the dream happen in a way that will last. There are so many lessons that can only be learned by making mistakes, and some of them take years to rear their ugly heads. Guys, beware of landscapers who build water features in their spare time. Just because you know and trust someone does not make them a good fit for your large-scale water feature project. I trust my banker, but I wouldn't hire him to do surgery on my hand. Architects do conceptual drawings as a first step to delivering a client's dreams to them. I don't mean to step on anyone's toes, but there's no way they can design a large-scale water feature any better than I can draw a set of blueprints for a mall. Sure, they've seen lots of water features. I've been to lots of malls. Builders and project managers are trained to get multiple bids from alleged pond professionals. The project manager's job is to actually represent their client and act as a gatekeeper. Unfortunately, they don't have expertise in large-scale water features either most of the time, and they spend all of their energy looking at the bottom line. Not only that, they often blur the line of connection between the artist designer and the end user. Guys, there's more to understand than just the price. In my experience, pond professionals are often great salesmen with big egos telling everyone what they want to hear. What an amazing job they're going to do given the chance. The truth is, many of them never even been on a large-scale project, and they're showing pictures of somebody else's work. They're selling concepts that they've learned on YouTube videos. Do your homework. I've got a basic video on how to choose the right contractor for your project. I built that for small jobs. I'll put a link up there. Watch that and do your homework. In the end, I'm sure no one has bad intentions, but you can't teach experience, and you can't gain experience from watching videos. Don't let ignorance and egos steal your dreams. You don't want to end up with a water feature that looks like a turd, or even worse, one that was improperly designed and built. Like I said, everything sounds easy if you say it fast, but there are so many small things that go into making an amazing water feature. What if you could find someone reliable who isn't full of BS? Someone who's aimed at providing you with as much education as possible so that you can show up armed with the confidence to make solid decisions that are right for you. Someone with solutions. Over the years, we have seen this process go wrong with so many other intelligent people. You simply don't know what you don't know. That's why we've set up our proven system to help stop all of this crap from happening. Start with the pro. Our teams have been involved in the water feature industry for nearly 30 years. We gained our knowledge building large water features all over the world at zoo exhibits, stuff for celebrities, malls, and the likes. We volunteered in the beginning. We gave our time to position ourselves next to industry experts so that we could get in the places where we could learn. 15 years later, other people are bringing us in to help them build their large-scale water features. Now, every once in a while, the manufacturers even send us large projects that their teams can't get to. Our team has won multiple international awards for their artistry. We're in a second generation of a family business that was built on integrity, and we thrive on processes that were designed to deliver you, the client, an amazing experience. We've got a very simple plan. We have an easy, laid-back conversation to determine what your wants and needs are. We talk about some ranges of prices of things from our past. We continue your education until you are comfortable taking the next steps. And then we can talk about what getting together in your part of the world looks like and what the associated costs are for all of that. No cart before the horse. Let's make an agreement. No pressure, no negotiating, no BS, confidence in our processes. You want to know how to get started? Go to our website. There's a contact form. There's buttons for it everywhere. Click on the contact us, fill out the form, do the steps, and you're going to end up having a phone call with one of us. If you're not quite ready for that, I implore you, please explore our website, explore our YouTube channel, surf our socials, learn all you can. We want you to. In the end, if you go with us, you're going to get beautiful results, on-time delivery, no unexpected upcharges, and no need to micromanage our team. You're going to be able to enjoy the journey with our team of professional water feature artists. Just don't fall victim to the yes men. Stay strong, hire the pros, sit back, and let us deliver your dreams. By the way, I'm John Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team and our family builds world-class water features all over planet Earth.